Yes. So sometimes in our life we get stuck. I'll give the explanation now. I'm just giving you the line explanation now. I'm just briefly telling you about this poem. Imagining in his head that both roads are there. I'm not able to flash back which road should I take. They all look the same. What is happening? Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet knowing how way leads to on to way. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. He's doubting that he should ever come back. The poet here, Robert Frost, is trying to save the first road for another day. He knows how the way leads to another, and then another, until you end up very far from where you started. He's saving the first road for the another day. Then in the third, he doesn't think, I doubted if I should ever come back. In the first line he says, I've kept it for another day, but in the third line he says he's doubted. He's doubting that, I'll be able to come back on this road. I hope I don't get lost. I should come back and take the other path. But he's wishing as much as he could come back. I should go into this life. Okay, I'm going to go do this. My father has told me to do science, become a doctor, but I want to become an engineer. Okay, I have two paths. Let me hit my path first. Okay, my father is saying this. Let me go into being a doctor. Two paths. And mommy is saying, get married. She is thinking, my daughter is becoming old. She has to do this, she has to do that, and now she has to get married also. Get married. So many boys' pictures are there. Father is saying, oh, you have to get admission in this medical thing, and your brain is hitting, I want to become an engineer. But if you go back and look into some great people, you will see they're not a hell of any big things. Various kind of things they have done in life and become famous. When we get stuck in life, that's what generally happens. It's I just want to share one small thing with you, that life has to be lived in a proper way, right? Life has to be lived in a very proper way. How we are going to live it, that depends upon to us. But when we are in this human bondings, we are into this family issues, we have principles to be met, we have things to be, we have dreams to complete, and we forget about living. We are also messed up and busy into our own lives. Like, I never get impressed with money, followers, degrees, and titles. I don't get. I am impressed with my integrity. I go with my integrity. I have this generosity inside me. I have humility. I have this kindness type of thing. I believe in those things. Anyone is kind to me, I am very good to them. Anyone has humility, I respect them. Anyone has the generosity inside them, generosity, I respect that. Integrity, I love. I think that is right, so that is right. And I'll do it for everybody the same. Diversity, I love. I don't love money. Money, I just spend it like hell. I don't save. Practically speaking, I don't save. I've spent huge amount of money throughout my life in these 50 years. You can't imagine. I have never saved a single paisa. I don't save because I don't think about tomorrow. When tomorrow comes, I'll think about tomorrow. I am ready for today. So if I am ready for today, when tomorrow is going to wait for me. When the next day is going to come, it's going to be according to me. I'll not wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to wait for me. I'm going to sleep tonight. I don't need followers. I don't need degrees. I don't need titles to be known. I am happy with what I am doing. But in life, we have to do some things. I am alive, right? But people want to do excellent. That's a nice thing. In the line 16, he's saying, I shall be telling this with a sigh. I'm just taking the single line. As I said, I shall be telling this with a sigh, with sorrowness. When do we have, oh my God, what did I do? When you did this examination, you had so many options, right? And you hit an answer which you were thinking it was right, and when you saw that result on that screenshot part, oh my God, what did I do? So many options there, 4 roads, and I couldn't choose the right road. That's when we hit, I'm not able to choose. Even if I have done a wrong mistake, now how the hell should I get back? Right? So one, he's left for the morning, and the next he's going to travel, but he's thinking, if I travel on this road, will I be able to come back and change my decision and go on this? I shall be telling this with a sigh. If I have made a wrong choice, how will I going to change that? That is, again, we have to go into suffering. Gautam Buddha. Unless suffering, you will not get enlightenment. We have to suffer for what we have committed. To overcome our failures, we have to suffer. That's what we do. That's what we have to do. That's also in real life. So you go into the doctor's line and you say that, oh my God, this thing is not my cup of tea. To keep my father's wish to become a doctor, I am going to become a quack doctor. So many people are going to die. I don't know. Which is not going to be good. But if I become an engineer, I'll be saving a lot of people. I'll be making good homes. I'll be doing something into engineering, into mechanical or aeronautical or marine engineering or something, whatever. I like that. You love that. What you like, you have to love. You have to love yourself to like something. That's when we make the right decision. But if we don't, then that problem arises. That example of the poet's failure in choosing the right path. The word sigh, oh my God, I have to say, I chose the wrong thing. Disappointed, I get disappointed with my decision. Didn't I tell you once in class 9, right? When you were in class 8, I was doing my grammar class, I told you. The mind and the heart, the day they get together, sky is the limit, no one can stop you. But your heart says something, your mind says something. That's the 2 roads. Either the devil is working here or the devil is working here. The devil does not work here, the devil works here. The negativity comes into this because there are many reasons. To choose the right road, to learn to walk properly, is you have to have the right group to teach you to walk. Selective, you have to be very selective in life. So we'll keep it till here. In the next class we are going to do it. And tomorrow itself I'm going to record for you, and I'll make sure that you try to understand. I hope you liked it till here, and take care of yourselves and see you soon. Think about this poem, think about life. What are you wanting to do? Very nice poem. It's what we do in life. What are the roads are taken? The road not taken. The road which I didn't take is a very big heartbreak for me, very big sigh for me. What did I do in life? Now I can't go back. I can't bring back my past. I can't come back to class 9. I can't come back to class 10. I can't come back to college. I have already crossed that level. I have to start from there. A guy from Maharashtra or somewhere, I guess, or Karnataka. He and his wife, they left for huge money they had in the city life, Bangalore or somewhere he was there, in Maharashtra or somewhere in Karnataka or Maharashtra he was there. They left for Goa, not on the sea beaches. They went into interior Goa. They started doing organic farming. Current is not there sometimes. People are not trying to like them, but they have already spent them 9 years or 12, 13 years they have already spent there, and they have become very known to it. Organic farming is going on their given job. They have left their city life. People have to be happy. If you are not happy, you cannot, the world will not be a happy place to live in. You will always have that conscience, pricking inside you that what the hell is happening? What am I doing? Am I doing it right or wrong? We get irritated. So we have to suffer in life. Suffering is, we are born to suffer. So we have to suffer. And suffering, overcoming that suffering, taking it in a positive way, will build this positivity inside us, and we'll go forward and we'll be able to choose the right road. The eightfold path of Buddha also says that. Mahavira in Jainism also says that the same thing. The right fold, how do we attain that? What is life and what is death? If it is life, then why is death there? Why are we living to die? You are living to die. Obviously, you have to die and you are living for it. You have to eat food like medicine. It is said, if you don't eat food like medicine, medicine will become your food in some time. You will be only having medicine to live. So eat food like medicine. In time, the right medicine, the right food, the right season, the right climate, the right weather. So this is all about life. Robert Frost is an awesome person. You have to go into it. It's not that question answer or the personification or the similes or the the alterations or alliterations or the meaning of the point. You have to get into it. Any question will hit, you will answer it. Okay. So see you. God bless. Take care and hope to see you guys soon. Bye bye.